Hey everyone, it's MKBHD here, and we're back with the latest and greatest from Apple. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at the iPhone 16 Plus, a device that has been eagerly anticipated by tech enthusiasts and Apple fans alike. This phone is not just another iteration, it's a significant leap forward in terms of design, performance, and features. Today, we're diving deep into the iPhone 16 Plus. We'll explore its new design elements, the materials used, and how it feels in the hand. The iPhone 16 Plus boasts a sleek, modern look that is both elegant and functional. Apple has really outdone themselves this time, pushing the boundaries of smartphone design. This phone has been creating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. It's not just about the aesthetics. The iPhone 16 Plus is packed with cutting-edge technology that promises to enhance your daily life. From its advanced camera system to its powerful new processor, this phone is designed to deliver top-notch performance in every aspect. From its sleek design to its powerful performance, the 16 Plus promises to be a game-changer. The new A18 Bionic chip ensures that everything runs smoothly, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using demanding apps. And let's not forget about the battery life, which has been significantly improved to keep you going all day long. The 16 Plus promises to be a game-changer. The display is another highlight, offering vibrant colors and sharp details that make everything look stunning. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games, the iPhone 16 Plus provides an immersive experience that is hard to beat. We'll be dissecting every aspect of this new device from the inside out. We'll take a closer look at the internal components, the build quality, and what makes this phone tick. Understanding the engineering behind the iPhone 16 Plus gives us a deeper appreciation of the innovation that Apple brings to the table. Get ready for a detailed look at the features, specs, and everything else you need to know about the iPhone 16 Plus. We'll cover the new camera capabilities, including the improved night mode and enhanced zoom features. We'll also delve into the software enhancements that make this phone more intuitive and user-friendly. Is it everything it's hyped up to be? Let's find out. We'll compare it with other flagship phones on the market to see how it stacks up. We'll also hear from real users who have had the chance to test the iPhone 16 Plus in their daily lives. Their insights will help us understand the practical benefits and any potential drawbacks of this new device. Stick around for the full breakdown. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what the iPhone 16 Plus has to offer and whether it's the right choice for you. So, let's get started and dive into the world of the iPhone 16 Plus. Let's start with the first thing you notice, the design. The iPhone 16 Plus has been meticulously crafted to not only look good, but also feel great in your hand. The edges are smoother, and the overall build quality is top-notch, making it a joy to hold and use daily. The iPhone 16 Plus boasts a familiar yet refined aesthetic. While it retains the iconic look that Apple is known for, subtle changes make it stand out. The camera module is more integrated into the body, and the new color options are simply stunning. It's sleek, modern, and unmistakably Apple. The glowing Apple logo adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, making it not just a phone but a fashion statement. One of the standout features is the massive 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. This display is not just bigger, it's better in every way. The resolution has been bumped up, offering even more clarity and detail. This is a big, beautiful screen that's perfect for everything from watching movies to gaming. The refresh rate has been increased to 120 Hz, making animations and transitions smoother than ever. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the clarity is simply stunning. Whether you're watching a high-definition movie or playing a graphics-intensive game, the display will not disappoint. Durability is also key. The ceramic shield front cover provides exceptional protection against drops and scratches. This is not just marketing speak. The ceramic shield has been tested rigorously to ensure it can withstand the rigors of daily use. This means your phone can handle everyday wear and tear. Whether it's minor scratches from keys in your pocket or accidental drops, the iPhone 16 Plus is built to last. It's a device designed for real life, offering both beauty and brawn. This year, Apple is offering the 16 Plus in 4 stunning colors: Midnight, Starlight, Blue, and Red. Each color has its own unique personality. Midnight is the classic choice, sleek, understated, and perfect for anyone who wants a timeless look. Starlight is a beautiful pearly white that exudes elegance. For those who want a pop of color, there's Blue, a vibrant and eye-catching option. And of course we have the iconic product red, a bold choice that also supports a good cause. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The iPhone 16 Plus is powered by Apple's latest and greatest chip, the A18 Bionic. This chip is an absolute beast, delivering lightning-fast performance and exceptional energy efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, the A18 can handle it all with ease. This means a smoother, faster, and more responsive user experience. Apps load quickly, games run smoothly, and everything just feels snappier. Section 5. Battery life staying powered up. One of the most important aspects of any smartphone is battery life, and the iPhone 16 Plus doesn't disappoint. Apple has made significant improvements to battery life this year. You can expect all-day battery life, even with heavy use. So whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or just browsing the web, you can do it all without worrying about your phone dying. The 16 Plus also supports fast charging, so you can quickly juice up your phone if you're running low on power. Section 6. Capturing the moment. The iPhone 16 Plus camera. Let's move on to the camera, which is always a highlight of any new iPhone. The iPhone 16 Plus continues this tradition with some impressive upgrades and features that make it stand out in the crowded smartphone market. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves to capture moments, this camera is designed to meet your needs. The 16 Plus features a powerful camera system that captures stunning photos and videos. The dual camera setup includes a wide and ultra-wide lens, allowing you to capture a variety of scenes with ease. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscape shots, while the wide lens excels in portrait photography, giving you that beautiful bokeh effect. The main camera has been upgraded to a 48-megapixel sensor, which captures incredible detail and clarity. This means that even when you zoom in, your photos will retain their sharpness and quality. The sensor also performs exceptionally well in various lighting conditions, ensuring that your photos look great whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or in a dimly lit room. Night mode has also been improved, allowing you to take even better photos in low-light conditions. The enhanced night mode uses advanced algorithms to reduce noise and bring out more detail in your shots. This is particularly useful for capturing cityscapes at night or indoor scenes with limited lighting. You'll be amazed at how much more vibrant and clear your nighttime photos will be. And for the video enthusiasts out there, the 16 Plus can now record videos in ProRes, a professional-grade video format. This feature is a game-changer for content creators, filmmakers, and anyone who wants to produce high-quality video content. ProRes offers superior color accuracy and detail, making your videos look more polished and professional. Whether you're shooting a short film, a vlog, or just capturing everyday moments, the iPhone 16 Plus has you covered. The iPhone 16 Plus also comes with a suite of powerful editing tools that allow you to fine-tune your photos and videos right on your device. With features like advanced color correction, cropping, and filters, you can make your content look exactly how you want it. The intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to use, whether you're a seasoned editor or a complete beginner. Sharing your creations is also a breeze with the iPhone 16 Plus. The device is optimized for social media, allowing you to upload your photos and videos quickly and easily. Whether you're sharing on Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform, your content will look its best. The iPhone 16 Plus truly makes capturing and sharing moments a seamless experience. Section 7. iOS 17. A new era of software. The iPhone 16 Plus runs on iOS 17, the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system. iOS 17 brings a host of new features and improvements, including a redesigned control center, enhanced privacy features, and more. There's also a new focus mode that helps you minimize distractions and stay focused on the task at hand. Section 8. Price and value. Is the 16 Plus worth it? Now let's talk about price. The iPhone 16 Plus starts at insert price, which is in line with previous Plus models. That's a significant investment, but you're getting a lot for your money. With its stunning display, powerful performance, impressive camera, and long battery life, the 16 Plus is a premium smartphone that delivers a premium experience. Section 9. Final verdict: to upgrade or not to upgrade. So, is the iPhone 16 Plus worth the hype? In short, yes. It's a fantastic smartphone that excels in every area. If you're looking for a large-screen phone with top-of-the-line specs and features, the 16 Plus is definitely worth considering. Whether you're upgrading from an older iPhone or switching from Android, the 16 Plus is sure to impress.